subscribers. Hi, people. So, today, haven't made a video in a while. So, today I'm presenting a 9-year-old fight. If you have a problem, unsubscribe to me and get on. Now, today, we're going to be presenting Andre Price and Jaden Kenka. They will be fighting today in our ring as the carpet. So, if you like it, subscribe and like, and I'll make more videos. You can comment videos, picture slides, and all that other retarded stuff. Okay, presenting Andre Price.
Beat this right here.
Now presenting Jaden Kenka.
Beat this nigga ass. Come on. You gotta say it.
No! No, here's the rules. No slapping. Okay, now you may fight. Oh shit, it just got real.